Right here I have the 3-pack workout shirts that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing the 3-pack of these amazing workout shirts. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I ended up getting the size large. Now I ended up getting the size large because I wanted a little bit more room, so I do believe if I wanted that tailored athletic fit, I could just size down to medium and I think it would fit me perfectly. But with this extra room, it gives me a little bit more room to work out and move around it. This shirt features a full polyester material that is super lightweight and breathable. Check out how nice that is. This actually feels so soft on the skin. Look at this raglan design sleeve. So there's not gonna be a seam on the shoulder, which is gonna give you a ton more mobility and a lot more comfort. And you're also gonna eliminate chafing on the shoulders with there being a stitch seam in the middle. Now these seams are very soft as well, so they don't rub on your skin at all, feeling amazing. The crew neck is really nice. If you stretch it, it doesn't get all weird and have that bacon neck. It goes back to the original shape and gives you plenty of room around the neck to move around and be super comfortable. Now I ended up getting the black, the light gray, and the blue, and these color combos are really gonna help match to different outfits. And it's great to have a 3-pack because I can just have a full, easy set of workout shirts. Now a couple things I want to note as well is this is going to have a tagless design, so that is going to be perfect for working out because you're not going to have anything scraping around on the back of your neck. And as you can see on the side here, we do have reflective material on both sides of the sleeves and then also in the back. So with that reflective material, it's ultimately going to help you be seen whenever you're wearing this, maybe running on the road or taking a walk on the sidewalk. It's going to give you that high visibility and I absolutely love that. Now also you can see with this polyester, it's actually really stretchy as well. You're gonna have that 4-way stretch, making this a perfect shirt for working out at the gym, playing pickleball, tennis, basketball, or any kind of sports. You can just wear this daily and take this on vacation with you because in that sun, in the heat, you are definitely gonna be able to wick away a lot of sweat and moisture with this nice polyester, fast drying material. This shirt also comes down to a really nice length and just gives me a ton of mobility. I also have this paired up with their shorts as well, so it just looks good matching blue on blue. But I love having these different options. It's easy to just get a 3-pack and just throw them in your gym bag, throw them in your closet, and you know exactly what you're gonna wear whenever you're gonna be going to the gym or working out. This stuff is super comfortable, very skin friendly, easy to wash. It's not gonna shrink. It's gonna be like a wrinkle-free type fabric and very forgiving. I absolutely love these. A must-have in your wardrobe. Make sure you add these to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.